Have you ever wondered how you can turn your kitchen waste into rich soil? Welcome to the world of vermicomposting, a simple yet powerful method of transforming waste into nutrient-packed soil. Vermicomposting is a simple, eco-friendly process that anyone can do at home. Starting your vermicomposting journey is easier than you think. First, you'll need a worm bin. This can be a simple plastic container with air holes. Next, prepare a cozy home for your worms with bedding materials like shredded paper or dried leaves. And of course, you'll need the stars of the show, red wigglers. These worms are champions at breaking down organic matter. So gather your bin, bedding, and worms, and you're all set. With these initial steps, you're ready to start your vermicomposting journey. Now that you've got everything set up, let's talk about the process. Vermicomposting begins with feeding your worms kitchen scraps, such as vegetable peelings, coffee grounds, and eggshells. But remember, no meats or dairy. These items can attract unwanted pests. The worms then get to work, breaking down these scraps into nutrient-rich compost. It's a fascinating process, as these humble creatures silently convert waste into a gardener's gold. Maintaining the right environment is crucial. Your wormery needs to be moist but not waterlogged and kept at a stable temperature, ideally between 50 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. The worm's role in this process is essential. They're the engine that powers the vermicomposting process, turning your kitchen waste into nutrient-packed compost. Remember, the key to successful vermicomposting is maintaining a healthy environment for your worms. Once you've got your vermicompost, what's next? Unleash its magic on your garden and houseplants. This nutrient-rich natural fertilizer promotes robust plant health and growth. Your plants will thank you for the nutrient boost provided by your homemade vermicompost. Vermicomposting is a wonderful way to recycle kitchen waste and enrich your soil. By embracing this eco-friendly method, we can contribute to a healthier environment and nourish our gardens. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly gardening tips.